In a world that thrives on connection and mobility, the white cane stands as a tool of independence for the visually impaired. Yet, trusting a white cane is so difficult for many. The reason? You have been using the wrong cane. We are committed to providing the very best in terms of quality and function. For the first time in East Africa, we're proud to introduce Ambutech canes, the world's finest mobility aids, now available right at your doorstep. Crafted in Canada with over 40 years of perfection, Ambutech canes embody the pinnacle of engineering precision and quality standards. But what truly sets them apart? It's the belief that one size doesn't fit all. Whether it's the robust durability of aluminium and fiberglass, or the tailored experience with over 10 types of white cane tips designed for every journey, Ambutech understands the diversity of needs. From different lengths to symbol canes for those with low vision, and even our innovative no-jab canes that retract when caught in cracks, ensuring safety and comfort on the go. This isn't just about mobility, it's about unlocking a new level of independence. It's about exploring the world with confidence, without hesitation. Our pilot program's overwhelming success speaks volumes, and we invite you to experience this transformation. Visit us to test them, feel the difference, and embrace the freedom that comes with the world's best white canes. Order your Ambutech cane today and step into a world where true freedom and confidence await you. Limited stocks available.